John earns an annual salary of $50,000 and recently increased his salary to $75,000. Sue earns an annual salary of $75,000 and recently increased her salary to $100,000. Using additive reasoning, which person had a greater pay raise? When we use additive reasoning, we are comparing two quantities using addition or subtraction. John now earns $75,000. If you subtract his original $50,000, he has a raise of $25,000. Sue now earns $100,000. If you subtract her old salary of $75,000, you see that she also has a raise of $25,000. Using additive reasoning, John and Sue appear to have gotten the same amount of raise. Each person had a $25,000 salary increase. Using additive reasoning, neither person had a greater pay raise. Part B asks us to compare John and Sue's pay raises using multiplicative reasoning. When we use multiplicative reasoning, we are comparing two quantities using division or multiplication. We are going to compare John's new salary to his old salary by dividing. We get 1.5. This means that John's new salary is 1.5 or 1.5 times as large as his old salary. When we compare Sue's new salary to her old salary, we get 1 1/3 or approximately 1.3. This means that Sue's new salary is 1 1/3 times as large as her old salary. Since 1 1/2 is larger than 1 1/3, we can say that using multiplicative reasoning, John saw a greater pay raise because his new salary is 1.5 times larger than his old salary. Sue's new salary is only 1 1/3 times larger than her old salary. Which type of reasoning is most appropriate? Multiplicative reasoning is most appropriate because it shows that John saw a greater increase in comparison to his original salary than Sue did.